Is email marketing dead? You've probably heard people say email marketing is dead. In fact, every few years, someone declares it's over. But here's the truth. Not only is email marketing alive, it's stronger than ever. Let's break down the facts. The myth comes from the rise of new platforms like social media, messaging apps, and paid ads. The argument goes that nobody reads email anymore, so why bother? But the data tells a completely different story. For every dollar spent on email marketing, businesses still see an average return of $36. That's higher than almost every other channel, including social media ads. Email consistently delivers one of the best ROIs in all of marketing. With email, you own your audience. Unlike social platforms where algorithms decide who sees your message, your list belongs to you. That means if you send a campaign, it gets delivered. No middleman, no gatekeeper. Now look, we're not going to sit here and tell you email is better than social or ads. Every channel has its place. But to say email is dead is just plain wrong. People still check their inboxes every single day, often multiple times a day. And unlike scrolling on social, an email sits there until it's read or deleted. It demands attention. So why do people say email marketing is dead? Because bad email marketing is dead. Spam blasts, sloppy lists, irrelevant messages, those don't work anymore. But smart, targeted, permission-based email is thriving. Here's what we're talking about. Email has to be permission-based. People are bombarded with messages from brands they don't care about. The only emails people actually look forward to are those they signed up for. That means when someone gives you their email address, they expect something in return. Don't just send them more of the same stuff. Think about what they gave you, that address. What can you provide that will be valuable to them? What problems can you solve? What questions can you answer? Start with the end goal in mind and work backward. Don't just think about what you want to say. Think about what your audience needs to hear. Target it. Do you like spam emails? Nobody does. Messages that are obviously sent to a huge list of people they don't know, they don't care about. But they love emails that speak directly to them. Use the data you have and segment your list. Don't just send generic blasts. Send messages that are relevant and interesting to each group. And make sure your message is crystal clear. People are busy. They don't have time to read long, rambling emails. Get to the point quickly and make it easy to understand. Use short sentences and paragraphs. Use bullet points and bolding to highlight key points. And don't forget about mobile. More and more people are opening emails on their phones. So make sure your message looks good on all devices. Now is the time to start seeing results from your email marketing. People still read emails every day. They just don't want to read junk. If you give them valuable, interesting content, they'll keep reading. At FireRoot Marketing, we help businesses run smarter, cleaner, more effective campaigns that land in inboxes and drive results. We know the do's and don'ts of email marketing because we've been studying it for years. We've helped our clients generate hundreds of millions of dollars through smarter marketing. If you want to stop worrying about whether email marketing still works and start seeing the results you know you can get, book a free 15-minute strategy call today at firerootmarketing.com. It's that easy to get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more great tips and tutorials. Have a great day.